angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. So we are talking about angles in the same segment of a circle. For example, if this is the circle and let us say this is the arc, and I draw an angle like this, okay, for this arc here AB, and I draw another angle in the same segment of this circle, then these two angles are equal, right? How do I prove that? I've just proved that angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle, if this is the center, is double of the angle subtended at any part of the circumference on the remaining part of the circle. So if this angle is, let us say, theta, what will be this angle? This will be theta by 2, right? Because this is an angle subtended at the remaining part of the circle at any point on, and at this point on the circumference. Similarly, this angle is also theta by 2, right? Because this is also an angle subtended by arc AB at the rest of the circle, okay, at this point. So if this is theta, this will be half of theta. So both these angles are half of theta, so these are equal. So angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. How did I prove that? I took any two angles subtended by an arc, right? Let us say this angle and this angle. Let us say this is alpha, this is beta, okay, and let this be the center. So the same arc subtends, let us say, angle theta at the center. So alpha has to be half of theta because this is an angle subtended at the circumference of the remaining part of the circle. Similarly, beta will be half of angle subtended at the center, right? So which makes alpha equal to beta. So angle subtended in the same segment of a circle are equal, right? Now that we have learned the theorems up to this point, we can also observe that angle subtended in a semicircle at any point on the circumference will be a right angle. That is, this angle will be a right angle if this is the center. Why? Because this angle is a straight angle, right? This is 180 degrees and this is subtended by this part of the arc or this semicircle, right? And this angle has to be the half of this angle subtended at the center, so it has to be 90 degrees. So we can say that angle in a semicircle is a right angle, or we can say angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is a right angle, okay.